Mr. Reddick?
Yes.
I need defense counsel's appearance.
Good morning, Judge. Sydney Rushing, P78830.
All right, thank you. And Mr. Reddick, state your name for the record, sir.
Daniel Reddick.
All right, counsel, how do you wish to proceed?
Your Honor, at this time, we would be setting our exam.
All right, thank you. How about April 27th at 10:30?
Your Honor, if possible, is there any way we can do it on the 26th? I am supposed to be in a max appellate training all day, that Thursday and Friday. I can make it work if not, if we can't move it to the 26th, but just thought I'd ask.
Do you have the 26th?
Yeah, 11 o'clock.
11?
Yeah. 10:30 is the last one.
Oh, yeah. The 26th at 11 o'clock.
That works for me, Judge.
All right, and that'll be here in the 36th District Court, April 26th at 11 o'clock. And
Perfect.
Is there anything else?
Nothing further, Judge. Thank you so much.
All right, the court will continue the bond until that time.
Thank you, Judge.
Parties may log off.
Thanks, Judge. Have a great day.
All right, you too.
Calling case number 2356378, the people of the state of Michigan versus Vincent Edwards. Defendant is charged with count 1, police officer fleeing 4th degree vehicle code. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ed Muto appearing on behalf of the people, P86266.
And good morning, Your Honor. Neighborhood Defender Service of Detroit by Natalie Phelps, P83355, appearing on behalf of Mr. Vincent Edwards, who's also present via Zoom. Mr. Edwards, can you please state your name for the record?
Yes, Vincent Edwards.
Thank you.
All right, thank you. Counsel, how do you wish to proceed today?
Your Honor, we would like to schedule this case for a preliminary exam, and I'd also like to address bond.
All right, counsel, are you available April 27th at 10:30?
Yes.
All right, so April 27th at 10:30 here in the 36th District Court, courtroom 233, and you may address bond.
Your Honor, I'm sorry?
It says he's on a personal bond.
He's on a personal with tether, and he's not been given any tether hours. He's basically on house arrest. And we're looking for some hours so that he can look for work. And he also, his car was taken into custody when he was arrested, and he's been told he needs to come down to get that. And so that's another issue that he needs to be able to leave the house to resolve.
People wish to be heard.
The people have no objection, Your Honor.
All right, there's no objection for the court to give hours here.
We're right there for a second.
All right, so the is he employed?
He's not now, Judge. He was before this incident, so he's looking to look for a new job.
All right, so we'll do curfew between the hours of 10 p.m. and 8 a.m. He's to be at home, and then he can do whatever he needs to do during the day.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
All right, can I have a bond modification? Okay, thank you. All right, so his curfew is 10 p.m. to 8 a.m. All right, is there anything else? I'm sorry, you're breaking up. I can't hear you.
Oh, nothing further.
All right, thank you. Parties may log off.
Calling case, calling case number 2356374. The people of the state of Michigan versus Mariah Moore. Defendant is charged with count 1, police officer assaulting, resisting, obstructing. Count 2, assault or assault and battery. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Good morning, Your Honor. Adam Bookfoot appearing on behalf of the people, P 86266.
And good morning, Your Honor. Neighborhood Defender Service of Detroit by Natalie Phelps, P 83355, appearing on behalf of Ms. Moore, who's also present via Zoom. Ms. Moore, can you please state your name for the record?
Myrna Moore.
Thank you.
All right, thank you, counsel. How do you wish to proceed?
Your Honor, we would like to schedule this for a preliminary exam, and then I'd also like to address bond on this case as well.
All right. And counsel, did we just schedule something for you, right?
Yes, Judge, we did the 27th at 10:30. If we could have it, a time on that.
The judge has availability at 11:30.
Okay, that works for me.
Okay, so April 27th at 11:30 in the 36th District Court, courtroom 233. All right, you may proceed.
And Judge, Ms. Moore is on a tether for this case. We would firstly ask for that tether to be removed. This is a pretty minor case, and I don't think there's any indication that she's a flight risk, nor is she a danger to the community. Ms. Moore also does work security in the mornings and afternoons, and she has 4 children that she is responsible for and that need to be taken to school. She's the only adult in her household that can care for the children and drop them off at school. They do go to Hope Academy and need to be there between the hours of 7:50 and 3:30. She's on full house arrest right now with no hours where she's able to leave the house, get groceries, anything like that to try to support her household and her children. So again, the case is an R&O, an assault and battery. I'm asking for the tether to be completely removed. And if you're unwilling to do that, we would ask for some hours or at least no house arrest if the tether needs to stay on.
Well, I can see why they asked for the tether, counsel. If people wish to be heard,
I'll leave it to the discretion of the court, Your Honor. Thank you.
I think the tether is appropriate based on the information that I'm reading, counsel. I believe the tether is appropriate. She has curfew hours. She's not on house arrest. Or is she on house arrest?
It's my understanding she's on full house arrest with no hours.
I can do a curfew between 8 p.m. and between 8 a.m. and 10 p.m.
So, Your Honor, she does have children that need to be at school at 7:50. So if we could scoot the hours to like 6 a.m. to get her.
7:30.
I'm sorry.
7. I'll do 7 a.m. to 9 p.m.
Okay, Ms. Moore, is 7 a.m. going to be early enough for you to take care of everything?
That's fine.
Okay, so you said 7 a.m. to 9 p.m., Judge?
Yes.
Okay.
And then you can readdress the issue with Judge Giles at the time of the preliminary examination.
Okay.
You can have absolutely no contact whatsoever with Henry Ford High School.
I'm trying to understand, what do I supposed to do for work?
Are those hours not going to be accommodated for you?
What are your work hours?
I normally work mornings, or I work at a bar. So it's like 7 p.m. to 2 a.m. Like
I tell you what, you can present your work stuff and your work schedule to the judge when you come for your preliminary examination or prior to your preliminary examination. But without having some kind of documentation of what your work hours are, I can't modify this any more than what I've modified it for. So the curfew is 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. at this point in time. And if you have documentation that you are employed, then you can present that, and then that will be reconsidered. All right, is there anything else?
Nothing from the people, Judge, thank you.
All right, parties may log off. We'll see you back here for your preliminary exam. Looks like they're frozen.
They logged on. Oh. It's showing they logged off on here, not there. So Judge, we have a, Mr. Luckett as a whole.
Okay, let's go. Yep, we can get started right
You want to do
now.
it? Okay, good. We'll get that time. Okay.
Because I'm good until 10 o'clock.
Oh, good,
Okay.
Judge. All right.
And then Judge Reed said her docket is late today too.
Okay,
So I don't know her docket, so afterwards maybe you can comment. What I did is I was basically saying, okay, this is what I do.
Yeah.
We're not just.
Is that right up here?
I mean, King did one.
Yeah, so for you.
Just finished.
Yeah. No.
Charlie Martin.
Who's the president? Martin?
So was that all your PCCs?
I have one more,
Giles?
yes.
Oh, he was just in my court. Before I came down.
Oh, wow.
He probably doesn't know.
Miss, Miss Phelps, call.
Okay.
Where's,
Oh, but he said that she's.
she's finishing.
Oh.
Oh, the attorney on, Mr.
Oh, okay.
She got a case, oh, she got a. Good morning, Miss Davenport.
Good morning. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Pretty good, thank you. I'm actually just logging on. I actually have an exam for 10:15 a.m. and I'm coming from Novi Court. It's saying I'm going to get there at 10:16, but there's also a discovery issue, so I didn't know if the court wanted to address it, or I'm still coming down there, so I didn't want the court to think I just wasn't coming.
You can address them when you come to court for your exam at 10:15, counsel.
That's fine. I'll be there just a little bit after 10:15. My GPS is saying 10:16, and I still have to park. So I just want to let the court know.
Okay, thank you.
All right. See you soon. Thank you.
Calling case number 2356153, the people of the state of Michigan versus Sean Luckett. Defendant is charged with count 1, assault with a dangerous weapon, felonious assault, habitual offender for notice. This matter is scheduled for examination.
Philip Henderson for the people, P86029, states ready.
Attorney Monica Stanford, 62315 on behalf of Mr. Luckett.
All right, thank you. Are the parties ready to proceed?
States ready, Your Honor.
You ready?
I am, but can we? So yes, I'm ready to proceed. Judge Giles set this at the time where I'm house counsel somewhere else. I have a jailer I need to do. Can I do that jailer first and then we video?
Are they ready for you right now?
Yes, and Judge Gross is upset that And I said, I tried to tell him that I was house counsel, so I'm like stuck between a rock and a rock. Trying
As
to-
long as you can finish it up like within a minute or two, yes. But so I'm coming in covering Judge Giles' docket, but I have my own cases
And
too,
I
so I can't wait 15 minutes for you to do.
I understand that.
And sometimes maybe you can't accept house counsel if you know you've got other cases.
I was already house counsel before he set this.
Oh, I don't have anything to do with that.
It didn't happen the reverse. I had been house counsel on that docket for a month, more than a month.
Counsel, how long is it gonna take you to wrap up your docket over there?
I would say I should be done in maybe 6 minutes.
All right.
Please, I'm sorry, I'm doing the best I can.
Are they ready for you right now?
Yeah, she's on the,
Okay, so go take care of it.
So you can step up too.
thank you, Judge, I'm sorry, I'm doing the best.
I understand.
You drag, Ms. Evans, you drag your.
Oh.
Your Honor, we do also have a, I don't know if you're being doing, we have a case at 9:45, all parties are here.
Okay, are they ready?
Not the witnesses?
No.
No, I'm just saying the parties that, you have witnesses, just let them know.
If they don't have witnesses, they aren't ready.
Yeah, right.
Oh, yes, yes. Is there anything you want to change? Oh, yeah, 10:30. Yes, oh, yeah. Mr. Washington used to live somewhere else. But in the courtroom, 965-2282. Yes.
I think Judge Gross is gonna call you. That's his name, Judge Gross.
Oh, who?
Defense counsel said that the judge, she's on Zoom, wants to call
Why is he calling me? I don't have anything to do with what was scheduled. My name is Wes.
Right. I hear that, Judge, listen.
Right.